Hello, this is the video that talks about how to do results for the GenBio 1 lab notebooks. Depending on if you are in a 6-person lab group or a smaller lab group, you might have text results and non-text results split into 2 people, or you might have it be 1 person. This video is going to cover results in general so that you'll be good to go whether you're splitting the job or doing it by yourself. Okay, so whether you're doing the job entirely yourself or you have 2 people, there are 2 parts to results. Text results, which is where you write things, and non-text result, which is pictures and graphs. And so if you will look in your lab manual, in the table of contents, we are looking for what says observations for the results section of your notebook. And we're going to go to that, and it tells you both for the text results and for the non-text results what you need to do. And so if you're doing results for the kombucha jars, your pictures need to look like this, not like this. And your pictures need to follow these directions, so take off the lid. This will make more sense once you have started with the kombucha. And then for the text results, you need to talk about all of these things. If you are doing pictures and text results for the dilution plates, then your pictures need to look like green is always the preferred pictures, red is the does not get all the points pictures, and the blue box is commentary about the pictures. And then all of the writing will tell you a description about what the picture should look like, and then some information about what you should write in your notebook. And then you will only do the TTC assay 1 time, but this page talks about how your picture should look and then what you should write about. It should talk about what you should write about. Oh, I will add what you should write about. And so you'll rely really heavily on your lab notebook when you are the results person so that you'll know exactly what you're supposed to be taking pictures of, what your pictures are supposed to look like, and what you're supposed to be writing. If you are if you're doing text results, again, there will be a description of what you should write, but basically anything that you notice about your kombucha jars, you write down. If there is a measurement, it must have metric units. So one of the things that you have to record is SCOBY thickness. This floating solid thing on the top is called the SCOBY. Let's see if I can get rid of that. And you'll record the thickness of the SCOBY. So you'll need to measure this in millimeters instead of in inches, for example. So when you are the non-text result person, you'll be responsible for taking pictures, making graphs, and uploading those. And so we're going to leave the lab notebook and go to the lab Moodle. Let's see if we can get that. And so if I'm here in the top section before the weeks. So if you'll look, there is the lab OneDrive folder. So you'll click on that. And I am already signed in to my OneDrive, so it did not ask me to sign in. It will normally ask you to sign in. I have gone ahead and made folders for the groups. So you'll go into your groups folder and you'll paste the original file. And so, or you can use the OneDrive app on your phone, either way. But be sure that the files get in the lab folder and not in some personal folder that you own, because then I won't be able to find them if they're in your personal folder. So when you submit most of your assignments for GenBio Lab, they will be PDFs. But when you submit these pictures or these graphs, they need to be in original files. And so you'll upload an HEIC or a JPEG or however your phone took the picture. You'll upload the picture file. You will not upload a PDF for this. Similarly, if you're the non-text result person on a week that you're making graphs, you'll upload the Excel file to your group's OneDrive folder. So if you're the non-text person, you'll take the picture, you'll make the graph, you'll get the original files uploaded, and then you need to rename them to say what they are. Once you get the pictures renamed, then you need to write, or you need to be sure that the name of the picture or the name of the file gets into the notebook. So you can write pictures for this week are called list of the pictures, or you can tell the picture names to the person who's doing text results, either way. But the person who takes the pictures is responsible for getting the file name changed to reflect what's in the picture, and then also to get that file name written into the notebook. So hopefully this is a good amount of information for you guys. Again, most of the information, hopefully all, but certainly most of the information that you'll need about what to record for results is going to be in your lab manual.